Welcome to St. Xavier's School, Manas Bansbari, Assam. St. Xavier's School is established in 2004. This school is run by the Society of Jesus, also known as Jesuits. The Society of Jesus is a worldwide religious organization of the Catholic Church founded by Saint Ignatius of Loyola in 1545 AD. One of his companions, Saint Francis Xavier, came to India in 1542 AD. Since then, the Jesuits have been responsible for the establishment of some of the best known schools, colleges, and universities in India and in 124 countries of the world. In India, Jesuits run more than 200 schools, 36 colleges, 21 technical schools, and 5 business management schools, educating about more than 3 lakh students. In the Northeast, they manage 46 schools spread over 5 states, educating about 16,000 students. These institutions are run by the generous help and support of numerous friends and benefactors of Jesuits and the Catholic Church. Their services are offered to all people, irrespective of religion, caste, creed, language, or tribe, especially in the rural areas among the economically, socially disadvantaged people of our land. St. Xavier's School is one such effort of the Catholic Church in the service of the people of Buxar district. In St. Xavier's School, Manas Bansbari, there are more than 600 students getting quality educations. The school offers a course of moral instructions, social and physical training, intramural games and sports are conducted to give maximum opportunity to every student to develop his or her talent for leadership, sportsmanship, and team spirit. Principles of trust, cooperation, self-reliance, hard work, and honesty are inculcated in great measure through co-curricular activities in the school. Some of the co-curricular activities encouraged at St. Xavier's schools are public speaking, drama, skits, drawing, painting, music and singing, excursion, and education tours. The games period is compulsory for all, and all should take part in it. The aims and objectives of St. Xavier's School, Manas Bansbari, are primarily drawn from the vision of St. Ignatius of Loyola, the founder of the Society of Jesus. They aim at the full and integral growth of a person, filled with the spirit of love, forgiveness, justice, and service, and strive constantly to become an intelligent and compassionate human being. The school urges every student to be self disciplined, integrated, competent, compassionate, and committed. The school also urges the students to be always in pursuit of excellence by working hard intellectually and physically. It also urges to be respectful towards human life and dignity, tolerant towards others, recognize the rights of all to live in peaceful coexistence, selfless in humanitarian service, possessing a generous attitude and goodness of heart, mature and spiritually oriented persons of character, and become men and women for others. Truthful and honesty in all dealings, clear and committed on principles, and courageous in action. Therefore, I welcome you all to enjoy